Hey, it's Mary Jo. Thank you so much for tuning in. I have something really important to talk to you about today. A couple of days ago, I was having a conversation with a client. We're out looking at homes. He has his pre-approval in hand. He's so excited, ready to write an offer. But what upset me is what he did not have. He did not have how much his monthly payment would be. He did not know anything about closing costs. He did not know how much cash to close. So if you're going to put 5, 10, or 15, 20% down, that is not all you bring to closing. There are closing costs on top of that. So I asked him to call his bank and get all of that information. So you have a right as a buyer to copies of everything you sign, and you want to know it well in advance of closing. Many years ago, during the past recession, there was so much fraud, and we'd get to the closing table and the terms were all changed, that now it is a legal requirement that you be sent what's called a closing document at least 3 days before closing, with the terms, the interest rate, your monthly payment, all of that spelled out that you have to agree to or sign 3 days before closing, or we have to bump the closing. Those numbers can go down, but they cannot go up from that. That's a legal requirement. So remember, you're paying 4 things in a loan. You're paying principal, interest or profit, taxes, and insurance. So make sure that you're clear on all of those, that you have everything in writing. And you also want to know, how long does it take to close a loan? Usually it's about 30 days, but it could be as little as 21 up to 45. So protect yourself, be armed in advance, know what you're signing, and get copies of everything in writing. And if you have any questions at all, give me a call, 612-384-1360. And I know you think you're going to remember, but 5 minutes after you walk out of your loan officer's office, you're going to forget. You can always call me. Thanks.